Shalom, Ambazonia. People of the United Nations Trust Territory of the British Southern Cameroons, good morning. Good citizens of Ambazonia. Today na number 16 day for the month of January 2020. My name na Capo Daniel. This one na my daily podcast for una. An NGO for Canada, where they call them say the Coalition for Dialogue and Negotiation, it don meet up with the Donald Trump administration for talk about the dialogue and negotiation where if it possibly bring an end to the conflict between Ambazonia and La République du Cameroon. The Coalition for Dialogue and Negotiation now a group of highly trained professionals and renowned Africans where they don't form that organization. They be partner with over 20 organizations them around the world where they be done previously call for the international community for bring negotiation as a means for end the Ambazonian War of Independence. The organization in main goals now for end the conflict where it go on between Ambazonia and La République and for restore lasting peace through justice, reconciliation and reconstruction. The NGO now a neutral partner for the conflict because they need to support Ambazonia or La République du Cameroon. Their role where they want play now for facilitate for bring the people them for table and for create environment where negotiation if it take place between La République du Cameroon and Ambazonia. For their visit for the United States State Department, they meet up with the Bureau for African Affairs, the Bureau of Democracy and Human Rights and Labor, and the Bureau for Conflict and Stability Operations. Sources within the organization inform us, say they are meeting with the United States officials now for force the American government may engage more directly for force Cameroon government and the Ambazonia people into a proper negotiation where if we handle the root causes of the war between Ambazonia and La République du Cameroon. Their assessment will be positive for the United States, their response. There is information coming in from La République du Cameroon, say the government of Paul Biya, the plan for assassinate Aya Abine, the Pekin for Aya Paul way the head the Aya Foundation. La République du Cameroon, it be frustrated, say the Aya Foundation, their job, it highlight and the proof for their population, say the war for Ambazonia, it truly get refugee them for Nigeria and their plight them be real. According to the source, Aya Paul be planned for be arrested, so that it could be a diversion for the international community and the Ambazonia people them. But the plan was scrapped due to social media exposure for the plan. There is an active plan to eliminate the son of Pa Aya Paul. Why for Nigeria? Refugee head them. They mourn because of the suspension or stopping of Aya Paul Foundation for travel into Nigeria for meet up the refugee population where they done they help them for a long time. When I hear.
I am the president of the refugees in Nigeria, in Buki local government. You see, I don't know what is going on, but I will tell you that when La République won track Mr. Ayapo, that means that we the refugees will die for Nigeria here. You see, sometime we die. Eight people die one time for Ikom. And I wrote to Ayapo Foundation. It take me for only 3 days. Ayapo Foundation give us 150 bag of gari, 250 bag of rice, and 25 sewing machine, 20 sewing machine and 5 designing machine. When you want to know, tomorrow I will go to our store and I will video all this thing to you. You send to the international community about Payama, Ayapo Foundation.
The refugees they decry their demise wey go for them if the Ayapo Foundation is stopped for be able to assist them. The UNHCR for Nigeria then cut their assistance by over 70%. There is report that La République du Cameroon they use success in Congo for target the Ayapo Foundation. There be that always be a suspicion. Certain way the appeal case for one of our heroes, Mancho BBC, be come up. The Bidam also put pressure for ye for begin using for attack the Ayapo Foundation. An investigation will never ever be concluded. There is also the attempted use of some member them for the Sarkozy administration where they be within the refugee camps them for Nigeria for target Ayapo Foundation. Ayapo Foundation, their job down always be strictly humanitarian, and La République du Cameroon they go after anybody where they show or demonstrate say the problem for humanitarian crisis be real, including journalists and other humanitarian actors, including hospitals that take care of IDPs. One of the pioneers for the founding of the CPDM of La République du Cameroon, Albert Zongang, he talks a pobia na a devil incarnate. Una here.
Pobia est un démon incarné.
Je vous en prie, pas de mots injurieux à l'encontre de la personnalité de la République.
Non, le démon
le terme démon a un caractère.
Le démon n'est pas une injure. Le démon, c'est une créature de Dieu, mais qui a pris un chemin contraire à celui que les anges ont accepté. Paul Biya est quelqu'un, vous ne saurez jamais ce qu'il pense. Et pour bien le cerner, Paul Biya n'a jamais assisté à l'enterrement de quelqu'un. Vous savez que nous avons perdu 2 hautes personnalités de la République. Disons qu'Aïdjo est mort à Dakar, mais Foncha et Mouna sont morts ici. C'était quand même des anciens vice-présidents et des acteurs de la réunification.
It talks a pobia na a cold-blooded devil. You know, assist for the burial for Muna and Aïdjo, and you know, ever assist for the burial for any person, including people who didn't save this country very well. More and more people they come for testify about the demonic nature of Mr. Paul Biya, where he declare the war and they prosecute the genocidal atrocity the way they go on within Ambazonia. News it come out come from Nigeria say one of that woman we appear for video with Dr. Cho Ayaba for Daadi and where they be catchy together with those where they be there for Taraba, they be attempted to assassinate by the Nigerian Secret Service. According to the information we would get them and a follow-up interview for the subject, it shows that the Nigerian government the one assassinate people the way they be involved with, they don't release them from the Taraba incident, and they don't forge document for shows that they be arrest the Taraba people the way they be transport and go down for La République du Cameroon their prison now for Nigerian border, not be for inside Nigeria. The United Nations staff them they also be involved for raise the alert. Say me the woman, be careful. For these last days, the dying horse go to do a serious kick. All Ambazonia then they need to be very, very careful during this period of time. The general public of Ambazonia be reminded, say there will be a complete lockdown of the entire territory of Ambazonia from the 7th to the 12th of February. This lockdown they call on all Ambazonian citizens for participate. All man carrying a small stone he put them for road. The entire territory need to be completely locked down for stop the election of La République du Cameroon for our territory and for prevent them from celebrating the day of mourning, the mockery of Ambazonia, the 11th February where they call him na Youth Day. Dr. Cho Ayaba, the revolutionary leader of the governing council, he released a statement on this issue. Wanna hear?
Good afternoon, Ambazonians. There will be no election. That is not organized by government in Boya. There will be no election in our homeland. The last forces of Cameroon are murdered and carried in coffins across the border. After long consultations across the board, our defense forces concluded we had a compromise across the board that it should be from the 7th to the 12th. Ambazonia will be in lockdown. I promised you Ambazonians that would explain all the time we call for a lockdown. We don't make these decisions lightly because it affects the lives of our people. It affects the welfare, the well-being of our people who are already locked in a 3-year murderous war against an alien and foreign dominion. We do it because we need to protect the territorial integrity of our homeland, the sovereignty of our space, the lives of our people, and to ensure we resist any attempt by a foreign power to decide the destiny of our country.
Dr. Joe Ayaba further talks say the Ambazonian people, the need for handle enablers and collaborators where they participate or facilitate this election, just like the Germans be handled by the British people them and the French people they be respond for those who they be collaborate with the German during the occupation of the French government. Ambazonia no be any difference. Any person will participate or facilitate this election in any shape or form should be handled accordingly. All Ambazonia make we rise like one man, make we hold grass, we resist, we implement and observe the Independent Day Ghost Town every Monday. We are the only way our population will show the entire world. So we don't want this union with the Republic anymore. We want complete independence of Ambazonia. Make we resist. The resistance forever or independence now. God bless you. Capo Daniel signing out.